Hi everyone, so in this lecture we will discuss another example which is related to first shifting theorem. In previous lectures we have already discussed so many examples which are related to this point, that is a first shifting theorem. In today's lecture we will find the value of Laplace transformation of e raised to minus t into sin raised to 4t is question mark. To find the value of this Laplace transformation, just to observe this question is which of the type. So here we have a e raised to something into something, that is f of t function, that is strictly function of only t. So this is equivalent to first shifting theorem. Then with the help of only two steps we can solve this question very easily. And for that purpose, step 1 will be apply this Laplace on this second term. To find the value of this Laplace of sin raised to 4t, we don't have any standard formula of this function. Therefore, we will convert this sin raised to 4 into t into linear form. So for that purpose, just we only consider sin raised to 4t as it is, that is sin raised to 4t. Then this function can also be written as like this, that is a sin square t raised to t. And as we have already know that sin square t is equal to how much, that is 1 minus cos 2t divided by 2, and it's a square, therefore it's a square. Okay, so here 1 by 2 it's a square, that means we will have now 1 by 4 as a constant term, take it outside. Next is 1 minus cos 2t and it's a square. So with the help of formula, that is a minus b, it's a square. Then this bracket will give us value 1 square, that is 1, minus 2 times this into this, that is 2 times cos 2t, plus last term is equal to how much, cos square 2t. So again we have a, this is in linear form, this is also in linear form, but this form is not in linear, therefore we will convert this form into linear form. So that means which we have 1 by 4 into this 1 minus 2 cos 2t, take it as it is. Now there will be change only in last term, that is cos square 2t. So what is a cos square t? Cos square t is equal to how much, 1 plus cos 2t divided by 2. But here we have a t 2t in place of t, therefore we can write this function as 1 plus cos of 2 into this 2t as it is and divide by 2 as it is. So now after the calculation we will consider this first term as it is, that is 1 by 4. Next is 1 minus 2 cos 2t, will take it as it is, plus this term will give us answer 1 by 2, plus this term is equal to how much, cos into 4t divided by this 2. Okay, now this 1 by 2 plus 1, that means we have now 3 by 2 minus this 2 cos t 2t, take it as it is, plus similarly last term cos 4t divided by 2, take it as it is. So we have calculated this value, that is a sin raised to 4t. So this is our RHS and LHS will be sin raised to 4t. Okay, so we denote this equation as equation number 1. Now let us come to our main question, that is a Laplace of e raised to something into this, that is which is equivalent to first shifting theorem. So its a first step will be apply this Laplace on this second term. So we have obtained this second value, that is sin raised to 4t in equation number 1. Just now apply Laplace on that format, that is sin raised to 4t, that implies Laplace on this total term. Here 1 by 4 is a constant, therefore take it as outside 1 by 4 and apply Laplace on this term, that is a Laplace of this 3 by 2 minus 2 times cos 2t plus cos 4t divided by this 2. Okay, now just solve this little bit, that is 3 by 2 is a constant, therefore take it as a outside from that Laplace function and apply Laplace here 3 by 2 into 1, therefore Laplace on first term, that is 1. This sign is negative, take it as it is. Nextly Laplace apply on this term, here 2 is a constant, therefore take it as a outside and apply Laplace on remaining term, that is a cos 2t. Similarly last term will be 1 by 2 is a constant, therefore take it as outside and apply this Laplace on last term, that is Laplace of this cos 4t and complete this total bracket. Now just with the help of standard formulae we can find its values, that is take 1 by 4 as it is, this 3 by 2 as it is, we have already know that Laplace of 1 is equal to how much? 1 divided by s minus take 2 as it is, that is a 2. Laplace of cos 2t, here a is equal to how much? 2. So cos 2t means cos s, therefore s divided by s square plus this 2 square, that is a 4, plus this take 1 by 2 as it is, that is 1 by 2. Again cos 4t, that is a is equal to how much? 4. So cos something, that is s divided by s square plus 4 its square, that is a 16, and complete your curly bracket. So its next step will be, that is take 1 by 4 as it is. First term will be that is a 3 divided by this 2s minus 2s divided by this s square plus 4 plus 1 by 2 into this s divided by s square plus 16. Okay, and complete this bracket. So we have obtained this value, that is a Laplace transformation of sin raised to 4t, and we denote this equation as equation 2. नाउ ऑब्झर्व वन थिंग, जे काही आपण आर एच एस कॅल्क्युलेट केला आहे तो स्ट्रिक्टली कुठल्या व्हेरिएबलमध्ये आहे? एसमध्ये. त्यामुळे हे जे काही फंक्शन आहे त्याला आपण काय डिनोट करू शकतो? फाय ऑफ एसने डिनोट करू शकतो, अँड दिस इज इक्वेशन ऑफ इक्वेशन नंबर 2. ओके, नाउ आवर मेन एम to find Laplace of this total term, therefore we will consider step number 2 as a, that is my step number 2 will be, that is apply this Laplace on total term, therefore Laplace of this e raised to minus t into sin raised to 4t. Now observe that this is equivalent to first shifting theorem. Why? Because this is of the form e raised to something into f of t, and that with the help of our given property, that is with the help of first shifting theorem, we can write this function as convert Laplace into phi and t into s. Now total, there will be change in only second term. Here we have a minus sign, therefore write it's a negative sign, that is minus of minus, that is a plus, and here coefficient of t is 1, therefore write this one as it is. We have already obtained in equation number 2 phi of s. Phi of s is equal to this, then we can replace this s by s plus 1, then equation 2 will give us answer, that is just write this 1 by 4 as it is. Nextly this bracket, that is 3 divided by 2, now s will replace by this term, that is s plus 1 minus 2 times s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 its square plus 4. Similarly take this 1 by 2 as it is, that is 1 by 2, and s will replace by this term, that is s plus 1 divided by s plus 1 its square plus 16. Okay, and complete our curly bracket. Hence we have obtained our main question, that is Laplace of e raised to minus t into sin raised to 4t. This is the value of this Laplace transformation.